In this video, I'm going to talk about sets, the different symbols involved, and how to shade the Venn diagrams. And we're going to start out with some easy ones before we get to more challenging ones. We'll begin with 2 sets and we'll work up to 3 sets. This first problem wants us to draw set B, which means we're just going to shade everything inside circle B. Below this is the complement of B. That's written as B prime, and students sometimes get confused with this, but it means everything in the set universe. Your universe is everything inside the rectangle minus B, everything here, and we take out circle B. The next one, we have A intersect B. That is the overlapping area between circles A and B. It's what they have in common, so it's right in here. For A union B, that means everything in A as well as everything in B. Everything in A plus everything in B. Let's move on to some more challenging ones. In the top Venn diagram, we have drawn A intersect B. What is the complement of A intersect B? So how do we do that? We're going to shade everything except the intersection. So these two are opposites of each other in terms of their shading. On the right side, we have A union B drawn, and now we need to draw the complement of A union B. So we're going to shade everything inside the Venn diagram except the union. Since this first one involves a union and union means to shade everything, then it's okay with just starting with the A and shading all of A, and then we want to also include shading for everything outside of B, which is what complement of B means. So we're going to include all of this in our shading as well. For the bottom one on the left, we need to do the complement of A union B. So the complement of A is everything outside of A, and since union means everything, we also need to include everything in B. Intersection involves the overlap. It's often helpful to draw some preliminary Venn diagrams when you have complements and intersections in the same problem. I'm going to draw circle A, and I'm going to draw B complement, everything outside of B. What is the intersection of those two regions? Well, the only place that those two regions overlap is right here outside of circle B, but within circle A. So the answer is the one drawn in yellow and red. For this next one, we want to draw the Venn diagram for complement of A intersect B. So complement of A means everything outside of circle A and circle B. So where do those intersect? They only intersect in this portion of circle B. Okay, now we're going to get into some really challenging ones. But first, if this video is helping you at all, please hit that subscribe button. Next, we're getting into 3 sets and how to do their Venn diagrams. The first one is A intersect B intersect C. If you recall, A intersect B is shading inside this region. We only want the part of that that overlaps with circle C, which is right here. It is the only region that is contained in all 3 circles. For A union B union C, that means everything in all 3. We just shade everything in all 3 circles. When we have intersections and unions within the same Venn diagram, they oftentimes have parentheses in them to tell us what to perform first. A intersect B is right here, and union means we're going to shade everything in that region and circle C. So we will be shading all of this. For this problem, I'm going to draw the shading in 2 different directions and 2 different colors so that it's easy to see the overlap. A union B up here with everything in A and everything in B. Now I'm going to switch colors and draw C. The last thing to do is figure out the intersection, which is right in here in these 3 regions. It is where the red and green overlap in the blue Venn diagram. For our last problem, we're going to do kind of a visual proof. So on the left, I'm going to draw A intersect B union A intersect C. On the right, I'm going to draw A intersect B union C, and they should be the exact same drawing if these two statements are equivalent. So let's start with A intersect B, which is these two regions here, A intersect C, these two regions, and the problem wants us to shade the union of those. So that means both of those. So that is all this region, and that region. The problem on the right, first do B union C. Then we need to consider circle A, which is these four regions, and we want to do the intersection. Remember, intersection is an overlap, so that's wherever you see blue and green, which exactly matches what we have on the left. So we have proven that these two statements are equivalent. If this video was helpful for you, please like, subscribe, and comment. It really helps me out in the algorithm. Thank you.